To turn any sketch you draw on a photo into a realistic image on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the record photo. Tap the photo assist icon at the bottom of the screen. Swipe the bottom of the screen to the left to switch to the sketch to image section. Before drawing, you can change the pen thickness and color by tapping the pen icon and then select the desired thickness level and color. Close the pen setting. Now you can draw anything you want to generate in the image. You can draw it with your finger or using your S Pen. As the example, we will use S Pen to draw a car on this photo. Once done, tap Generate button to let your phone uses the AI to fine-tune with artistic flair, transform your sketch into substance, and bring your drawing into life. If you are satisfied with the result, you can tap Save Copy to save the edited photo as a new photo. If you are not, you can swipe the image section to the left and then tap Generate one more button to create another image from your current edit. So with the sketch to image feature, you can easily draw on any photo and turn your sketches into realistic, polished images. Whether you are adding creative touches or bringing simple doodle to life, this feature makes it easy to transform your ideas into stunning visual with just a few text. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.